In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with ChatGPT. 2026 Full Guide. If you've ever felt that AI explanations swing between too simple and too dense, this guide gives you a clear path to consistently useful answers. We'll avoid common traps and replace them with practical prompt patterns you can copy, adapt, and reuse. First, let's talk about the popular "explain like I'm 5" shortcut. While it sounds friendly, it often flattens precision into cute metaphors, which can hide the mechanics you actually need. A better way is to ask for clarity without sacrificing structure. Instead of a single, oversimplified take, request progressive elaboration or a clean analogy that keeps facts intact while lowering the cognitive load. That leads to the progressive elaboration strategy. When you're tackling a complex concept, ask for 3 layers in one go. For example, I need to understand this concept or library. Please break it into 3 tiers. First, give me a single sentence layman summary with no jargon. Second, provide a practical real world analogy that shows how it works. Third, deliver a step-by-step technical breakdown aimed at an entry-level professional. This pattern ensures you get the big picture, an intuitive hook, and the operative details together, so you don't bounce between vague overviews and cryptic specifics. If you're still stuck, shift perspectives to expose blind spots. Prompt the model to analyze the topic as a developer focused on the problem it solves in production, as a system architect identifying failure points or performance bottlenecks, and as a business stakeholder explaining why the efficiency matters financially. Contrasting lenses surface trade-offs and operational realities you might miss from a single viewpoint. Next, turn passive reading into active understanding with a Feynman-style loop. After the model explains something, reply with, "Based on your explanation, I'll summarize the mechanics in my own words. Please critique it, correct misconceptions, call out logical gaps, and give me one quick scenario question to verify I've grasped the core logic." This forces recall, reveals weak spots, and gives you a fast feedback cycle. Finally, when you face dense items like recursive functions, complex rejects, or database schemas, ask, "Break down this exact block line by line." Add inline markdown comments that explain purpose, data state changes, and logic at each step. Open a new chat for fresh topics to prevent unrelated context from bleeding in and skewing results. And that's the workflow. Move from passive prompts to structured tiers, perspective shifts, and active recall, and you'll ramp up your mastery quickly.